Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change the number of lines to scroll with mouse in Windows 11. If you want to change it and scroll faster or slower with your mouse, you can adjust these settings in Windows 11. So first we need to click right mouse button on icon with a start, and after that we need to go to settings. Then from the left panel we need to open Bluetooth and device settings, and now we need to scroll down and find here something like mouse, buttons, mouse pointer, speed and scrolling. So I click on this one option to open it, and now we need to scroll down, and on scrolling options you can find something like lines to scroll at a time. Before we will adjust the settings, I recommend you to check roll the mouse wheel to scroll options, because I recommend you to set here multiple lines at a time. After that, you can adjust lines to scroll at a time. On default, it may be set to 3, but I recommend you to increase this value to 5. Then you will be able to scroll really fast. But if you will change this value maybe to 1, you will see that the scrolling is really slow, yeah? So I recommend you to set here 5 or 6, because it is, in my opinion, really great value. So if I helped you to change number of lines to scroll in Windows 11, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.